Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. Show that there are infinitely many positive prime numbers. So what we'll do, if possible, let there be finite number of positive primes. Let's see. Let them be P1, P2, P3 and so on till Pn, such that P1 is less than P2 and so on in this order. Now let x equal to 1 plus P1 multiplied by P2 multiplied by P3 so on till Pn. Now if we look at the second term that is P1 multiplied by P2 multiplied by P3 till Pn is divisible by each one of finite prime numbers, that is prime numbers P1, P2 and so on till Pn. But if we look at the number x equal to 1 plus P1, that is this number x is not divisible by any of the prime numbers. Therefore there exists another prime number which is greater than Pn. Now this contradicts our assumption that there are only finite prime numbers. There are finite prime numbers. Therefore positive primes are infinite. Therefore positive prime numbers are infinite. This is the answer.